All right, no fancy intro today, just straight up analysis. Let's go ahead and get into it. Weekly chart showing a bearish doji here on our last weekly close. So we're starting off this week to the downside. Not too much has changed here. And the OBV, if we bring that up, it still kind of looks like garbage compared to the price action here. So I'll update this time frame again, probably at the end of the week, and we'll probably have a better idea of how this plays out. On the daily chart, we're still being crushed between two levels of consolidation. So we've got our yearly level here, which is basically just the bottom of these candles, as well as this white line that I have illustrated for you. So last week, I mentioned that I was pretty much going to be staying flat in any long-term positions while our OBV just ranged in this consolidation area that we had before here at this bottom. And I'm pretty much still staying flat on any longer term, bigger size positions at this point because of that. So, just until this resolves, which is kind of crazy because it's already been 7 days or so later. And we're still here only taking, small size scalps in this range. So on this 4 hours where I really want to focus for now, and this range that's illustrated by these two yellow lines is pretty much just what I'm referring to. It's clearly a level that's prone to some volatility, like in here, given though this was the FOMC. I've basically recently been attempting long scalps here at the bottom of this range, which so far seems to be playing out. I have another bid down at about 26.6, and then a stop I think is 26,450 or so, or 440. So this is a pretty small position. And this could easily just reverse here and break through those lows if we get some more sustained bearish momentum before the close. So since most of our indicators and stuff and momentum is still mostly bearish, that's why I'm looking for, like this lower part of the range down here to be longing into that support. So switching over and looking at our volume profiles, we do have a naked point of control right here at 26.5. Hence why for my long positions, I've placed my stop below that, basically in anticipation of this level here at 26.5 getting swept. Depending on the reaction at that level, if it does get swept, I would be pretty comfortable adding to that position, if we got a decent bounce out of it. Switching over to our highblockcapital.com liquidity heat map, we got a clear pool of liquidity right around that 26.5 level, which makes total sense to me given that it's also a naked point of control. But to be honest, there's a good deal of liquidity in both directions and the price is just kind of stuck here in between. I'm basically betting that before this week is out, we move down, fill my other bids that are down in here, and then move up on volatility to sweep all the shorts to the top side, as high up as about 28K or so later on. Given this liquidity has started to shift, I might layer a third bid and then move my stop down to the 20.2 area in between these two liquidity pools, just so that I don't get knocked out before any kind of reversal if we dip. On our individualized levels, we have a nice amount of long liquidations at 100x down to about 26.5. And above us, the 100x shorts start topping out at about 27.5. So all in all, you definitely don't want to see below 26K, but anything over 27.6K would probably lead to some kind of small short liquidation cascade. That's all for today, guys. Check out the links in the description for more information on this platform and make sure to smash like and subscribe for the algo. I will be streaming this Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central, so follow @VenomAlgo on Twitter. And until then, happy trading.